It's your girl Tasha with Expeditious Dragonflies. So, for those of you who may have saw my video yesterday, I did talk about something a little bit different than dispatching. So I also not only, like I said before, I dispatch, of course, but I also do run a courier service. I know it's dark, like you can probably barely see me, and that's because I'm at one of my stops right now. And I'm early. I'm super early. Like, I am dumb early. I did not mean to be this early. I did not. That was my fault. I forgot to let my people know, that I was gonna be here this early. So that's my fault. So don't be like me, because I'm over an hour and 30 some odd minutes early. And I personally live in a town about 30 some odd minutes, that way. And it's so crazy, you guys, because I left a few things at home, something like go back in the house, and I was like, no, I gotta get on time. I gotta be on time, only to find out I'm this early. So don't be like me. Please check your times whenever you do start your courier runs. Or you're gonna be like me, sitting at a place about an hour and some odd change early. Other than that, main reason why I'm doing this video, of course, just to basically show you, look, I don't talk about it. I am about it. I do be about it. Now, this particular service I'm doing today, it is not medical. I would prefer medical, but it is what it is at the end of the day. Money is money, and I'm not being funny saying that. So definitely check out my ebook. It goes over how you can definitely start your courier business, along with some other very, very in-depth information that some of these gurus are not talking about. And again, this last little tidbit, like I just stated, check whenever you do start, check your times. Check your times. I can't believe I came so freaking early. Check your times. I can do this because I have something else set up. I have somebody assisting me with my dispatching. So I guess you could say I have an assistant who's doing their best to assist me with this. So that's why I ain't too much worried about it. That's another game changer for me as far as being a dispatcher. But yeah, y'all. That's all I got. I ain't trying to hold y'all. Y'all know I'm pretty long-winded, but today, that's it. So, I will see y'all on the flip side. I'll probably come back, let you guys know how that went. And, which is something easy. I'm just dropping off and I'm going home. I'm just dropping off. I'm going home. You can make your hours how you want to make them. That's the good thing I could say about being a courier deliverer, like an independent courier deliverer. You can make your own hours. Make your own hours. And if you have a team, with whoever you decide to contract with, definitely you still can make your own hours. You just let them know how long you want to work. So that's what I like about it. So if you are wanting the freedom of your own time back, or you just want some extra money, check out my ebook. Link is in the bio. It is called Courierprenur. Check me out. Check it out. It's a pretty decent read. It's not going to hold you for about 8 hours, I promise. Maybe about a good 20, 30 minutes. Probably not even that. Maybe 10. All right? Okay. Well, I'm out, you guys. Y'all have a good one. Hopefully you see me in the light when I come back.